Bro video! We haven't had a video in a long time, which me and Jed have been really sad about. YouTube took our video down because apparently it was a bit dangerous. We were going to fly this massive rocket into the air, which we did do, but YouTube said it was a bit dangerous, so they took it down. This is the fire damage it done. Jed, now that I look at it, it looks a bit dangerous. Maybe YouTube was right, but I don't. It was really fun. And after all, Dad would never put us in danger, especially when it's at our favourite place, Brooby Beach. Today, we'll be opening a giant rocket that goes 100 metres in the air. Can't wait to test it out. This is the rocket. You can get them from Frontline Hobby at Newcastle. This is the padding, and this is the all-important charge. Yay! Let's do this!
Thousand years later.
Whoa! Look at the lightning bolts! It appeared here! Now let's go for a test. We're here to show you how to launch a rocket the safe way. Step 1, glasses. I can't even put them on. Yes, finally, they're a bit tight, but we want to be safe. We don't want to die. If you're learning how to launch a rocket, you need your safety plate. Obviously, we didn't really use it last time. It was red, now it's a bit black. I'm going to put it on now. For extra safety reasons, Dad's got a hot glue gun it on. Beautiful-ish. The sparklers were fine, but we might need to use them for birthday parties instead. The next safety measure is our good old thingamabob that I forgot what the name is. Ignition. Yeah, thanks, Jed. This is how the ignition works. Batteries are in the back, and then you have to put your safety pin in. We'll need Dad for an example. He'll push that down, and ready, 3, 2, 1. This should send a charge to the engine. Now, let's test it on Jed. That will be our rocket going 100 metres high. Yay! Now it's time to prepare your engines. Vroom, vroom. Not those type of engines, the rocket engine. You'll need this special wires, the engine, and this plug. If that's too confusing, you can get them in this small kit. It comes from Frontline Hobbies from Newcastle. So you put the wires inside the engine, then you get the plug and put it inside the gap. Doesn't look that confusing. It's pretty easy. Yeah! We've got 3 to go for our launch day tomorrow. See you at the beach, guys. It's going to be epic. Yep. Bye. We're at Brooby Beach. Time to launch our rocket. Yeah, Jed. Dad has safely glued our launch pad for safety reasons. Let's launch a rocket. Yeah. First step, slide the rocket on the launch pole. It's like a slippery slide. Down. One of them is down. Thanks, Jed. safeties. Number 1, we're using our ignition. For safety, take your safety pin out. To arm your rocket, you put one clip on one wire. Done. Nice job, Zeke. Thanks. Make sure your clips aren't touching the metal or it'll break this magical circuit. Yeah! Now that the rocket is armed, we need to walk a safe distance away from it. Let's launch. Go, bro. Keep coming. Keep coming. First step, put the safety pin in. Second step, push it hard down and press the button. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not this way. So we were supposed to catch that, but it was way too far for us to run. Even though we're really fast, nobody could catch that. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! What is it? And this is why you need a safety plate. Looks like an explosion. That was so much fun. Remember, when you're playing with rockets, number 1 is safety. Hopefully YouTube doesn't put this video down. Bye!